Ideally, one should study both books, Radharasa Suranidhi and Krishna Karnamrita, together. That's ideally. But we're not doing it. We're not going ideally. Because we have some particular idea here in this class. And the idea of this class is that this is Purushottam month, Adhika Mas, extra month. And this is the month of Purushottam Krishna. He says that I am this month. Krishna says all my powers, potencies, everything I've imbued are placed into this month. So this is a very special month. It's Krishna, it's Sakshat Krishna, directly Krishna. So we want to act in such a way to please Krishna by increasing our devotions, our prayers, our chanting, our bhajan, because this is his month and he's very happy if anyone does increase of chanting and meditation in this month. So Krishna, of course, we have to think, if we want to please someone, then we should give that person what he wants. That will please him. Not we give him what we want. If we're cooking for someone, we don't cook what we want and say, oh, here, I've made something very nice, you try it. That's not really pleasing, because we cooked what we want, and it's very good, and we cooked it very nicely. And we say, here, you try it. But that's not really love in the topmost way. Better we find out, firstly, what does that person like to eat? And then and with all attention and devotion and care, TLC, as they say, tender loving care, we prepare that food and then we offer it to Krishna. Then we invite him for prasad. And then the person will become so pleased. Oh, you made. Oh, these are my favorite. This is my favorite sabji. This is my favorite. How did you know? Oh, I inquired from so and so, and I found out this and that. Oh, I'm very pleased. I'm very, very happy. It's not only very tasty, but I can understand there's so much love you put here just to make these things for Krishna. So this is the idea of devotion. Anukalyena Krishna Anushilanam Bhakti Uttama. The Uttam Bhakti is fixed and faceted on the idea of pleasing Krishna, giving him the best thing, which will make him the most happy. And there's nothing that makes Krishna more happy than Radharani. Nothing and no one. She's not a thing, she's a person. And everything she does makes him happy. Her dancing, her singing, her speaking, her walking, her talking. Everything she does gives him topmost pleasure to Krishna. Maha Anandita, as he read in Bengali. Maha Anandita. Not only Anand, but Maha Anand. Because it's Sevanand. Her seva is the topmost, so she gives the most bliss to Krishna.